Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel, and I thank all the viewers for watching as well as giving very inspiring comments. So today's question is how to find ax power 5 plus by power 5 given ax plus by equals to 3, ax square plus by square equals to 7, ax cube plus by cube equals to 16, ax power 4 plus by power 4 equals to 42, and a, b, x, y are all real numbers. So there are 4 equations and 4 variables, but it will be a very lengthy calculation. So we'll think of some short methods. So let's proceed then. So let the summation is denoted by Sn equals to your a into x power n plus b y power n. Here the first is your x plus by equals to 3. That when n is equal to 1, we are getting x plus by. So I may write as 1 equals to your ax plus by equals to 3. Next is when n equals to 2, it is s2, that will be x square plus by square equals to 7. Similarly, s3 equals to 16 and s4 equals to 42. So now, without finding a, b, x, y, let's apply a critical thinking. Let's establish a relation between s1, s2, so on up to Sn. It is Sn equals to p times of Sn minus 1 plus q times of Sn minus 2. Then linking with this S1, S2, S3, I'll get S3 equals to P into S2 minus QS1. So getting 16 equals to S2 is 7P minus 3Q. It's not minus, so very sorry, it will be plus. Let me name as equation 1. Next I am coming for x4. S4 equals to P times of S3 plus Q times of S2. So there will be a linear relation. 42 equals to your 16P plus 7Q. This is equation 2. The question is we have to find S5. S5 equals to a x to the power 5 plus b x to the power 5. We have to find out this. What will be S5? S5 equals to P into S4 plus Q S3. So for that we need P and Q. So we'll solve equation 1 and 2. 7p plus 3q equals to 16, and your 16p plus 7q equals to 42. So I can multiply this equation with your 7. This gives me 49p plus 21q equals to 112. And second equation I'm multiplying with 3 so that I can make the coefficient of q equal. So it will be 48p plus 21q equals to 126. Now the solving two equations. Get p equals to negative 14 and q equals to 38. So S5, that is ax5 plus bxy5 equals to minus 14 multiplies 42 plus 38 multiplies 16. The answer is negative 588 plus 608, that will be 20. So answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video.